Yun mga kaprok dyan, panibagong araw, panibagong vlog. Andito na naman tayo sa may Fishermart, dito sa may Pantrangco. Mag-update lang tayo dito sa may Planet Sport. Ayan sa likod ko, mga Planet Sport nakasell, daming mga sapatos, mga nakasell pa. Meron pang buy one get one. Kaya samahan niyo ako mga kaprok dyan. Let's go Planet Sport. Dito lang ito sa may Fishermart, sa may 3rd floor. Ayan. Ayan. Mga nakasell, meron pang sila rito. Promo, buy one, get one free. Ayan.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch. Always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes it
Converse ito, may mga promo sila rito ng buy one get one free on selected items. Ito, ganda ng kanang Converse, oh. Ganda nito, ganda ng kulay niya. Ito 3,995 ang price ito. May kasama pa isa pag buy one get one free. Ayan, meron ka na mga Converse Chuck Taylor, high cut siya. 3,995 ang price. Maraming kulay na pwedeng pagpilian. Ito pa, oh. Ang ganda naman ako nito, mga Chuck Taylor, oh. 3,995 ang price. Mayroong kulay red. Ito, combination ng black, oh. Chuck Taylor. 3,595 naman ito, ganitong style na ito. May ko ng material na ko, na combination ng leather saka ko ng tela. May mga low cut, may mga 1 star. Ito 4,295 naman ang price to. Maroon, ayan, kulay maroon, 1 star, 2,995 naman ang price to. Ito pa, kulay navy blue, 1 star, Converse, price nya 2,995. Dito ng high cut, triple black, 2,595 ang price. Marami ring color na pwedeng pagpilian. Meron pa, ito, high cut din na Chuck Taylor. Hanggang siya, 2,595 ang price. Kay Chuck Taylor Converse, 4,495 ang price. Please, may ko ng Airwalk, ayan, mga buy one get one free. Ayan, all select items. Ito, ganda rin ako ng Airwalk, naka 30% to. Ang dating price ito 1,895, 1,326 na lang yung price nyo. Ang dami, mura mga sapatos dito, Airwalk. Kali ang price nito dati 1,895, ang price na lang 1,326. Ito naman pang ladies, ang size nya 4 to 5, ayan. Mga pang ladies shoes, mga pang Sketcher, naka 50% off naman to. Hanggang siya 3,295, dating price nya 1,647 na lang. Pang ladies shoes, ito naka 30% off to, Sketcher. Pang price dati 5,295, 3,706 na lang. Yung mga apparel nila baka naka-sale. Ito mga pang women, mga ganito, Elise, naka 20% off naman to. Ayan, mga ganyan, mga apparel, mga naka-sale yung apparel nila. Dito yung mga pang kid, ayan, mga XL, yung mga 40%, ayan, mga 30% off, mga pang kid. Ito, ayan, 8 to 9, naka 50% off to. 6,895 dating price niya, 3,447 na lang price. Converse pang ladies shoes to. Ganda ng kulay niya. 2,995 na lang ang price niya. Tractor 26 na Nike, 50% off ang babae. Ito 7,595 dating price niya, 3,797 na lang. Sana hindi tayo maka-copyright. Pang ladies shoes, New Balance, naka 40% off naman to. Ganda lang pa niya, 6,895 dati yung price niya, 4,137 na lang. 40% off na New Balance, pang ladies shoes, 6,895 dati price niya, 4,137 na lang. Yan, mga New Balance, 20% off naman to. Kaganda, kaganda ng tela niya. 5,295 dating price niya, 3,177 na lang. Pero pa rin dito na Nike na Pegasus 41, pang babae, pero 50% off naman to. Dating price niya 7,395, 6,697 na lang ang price. Ha? Halos mga naka 50% off. Oh. Ayan. 6,895 dating price niya. 3,447 na lang. Ito yung Skechers. Ito. Oh, ayan. Oh. Pag nag-aapura ka, hindi, susuot mo na lang to. Meron din sintas siya, parang pang-display lang to. Yan, 50% off. O, 2,647 na lang ang price niya. Halos yung mga kanang naka 50% off. Oh. New Balance. Ito, gaganda oh. 5,995 dating price niya, 2,997 na lang. Meron din dito Diadora. Ganda rin ito Diadora, oh. Tapos ang kanang selos niya, 30% off naman ito. Oh, 2,195 dating price niya, 1,536 na lang. Ay, sa mga naghahanap ng ganito sa paso na Chuck Taylor na Converse, 50% off naman to. Oh, 4,295 dating price niya, 2,147 na lang. Ito pa rito Airwalk, 50% off. Ayan, 1,097 pesos lang ito. Dating price niya, 2,195. Dito Adidas, naka 50% off na Adidas. Ayan, ang price 2,750 na lang ang price niya. Yan mga kaprok dyan. Tapos na tayo mag-update dito sa may Planet Sport. Dito sa may Konang Fisherman. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong pagsuporta sa aking maliit na channel sa YouTube, Prok TV. At makita-kita ulit tayo sa sunod. Thank you.